Hello everyone, I'm Nick with OWC, and today we're going to unbox the brand new 2019 15-inch MacBook Pro with retina display and touch bar. So without any further ado, let's rip off the plastic and get inside this box. All right, that came off pretty easy, very good. Get that out of here. Oh, here we go. Can you feel the tension building? Oh, very nice. All right, so what we have here today is the space gray model. Let's get off this additional protective packaging as well. All right, so we have the machine on the box. We're gonna put that to the side and take a look at that in a moment. First, let's see what's inside the box. You've got USB-C cable. Inside here, you're gonna have books and pamphlets from Apple. And of course, the coveted Apple stickers, my favorite. Underneath that, you're gonna have your USB-C power adapter to charge the laptop. And that's it, pretty standard. Now that we've taken a look at what's inside the box, let's take a look at the external features of this MacBook Pro. On the outside here, you've got 2 on this side and 2 on this side of Thunderbolt 3 ports. There's also a 3.5mm jack. Opening up the laptop, get this protective cover out of the way as well. This MacBook Pro, when you open the lid, boots itself automatically. Inside the machine as well, you've got your touch bar, a very large trackpad, which is very nice, and your keys. See what they sound like. Now, Apple did a refresh on the keyboard, made them a lot less clicky, so they're softer to touch and it sounds a lot better. With regard to external features, cosmetically, this model is similar to previous ones. What is different though are some of the specs have changed. One big one being that the processor is larger and faster. Now that we've taken a look at the exterior features of this machine, we're going to power it off, close it, flip it over, and take a look at the inside. Here we have our battery, your speakers, your memory, your CPU, your GPU. This is your coprocessor. This is your storage. And on the sides here, these are the Thunderbolt controllers. Of course, the big change with this model is the CPU having larger and faster options. Other than that, very similar to the previous model. And that was a quick unboxing and look inside the new 2019 15-inch MacBook Pro with retina display and touch bar. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.